So as you can see, my mic died, and unfortunately, yeah, I have no intro now. But luckily, I had another mic, and yeah, all I can say now is watch the full video, like, comment, subscribe, and away. Stay tuned.
Okay, so who am I with?
Mika.
Huh?
Mika.
Okay, Mika. Here's the question, huh? How should a guy slide in your DM?
Talk to me in person first.
No,
Mm-hmm.
but like, say maar, I see you op Insta. Hoe moet hij voor jou like een boodschap sturen?
Reply to my story.
Who am I with?
Mr. Aris.
Okay, Mr. Ari, kijk hier. How should a girl slide into your DMs?
A sample reaction to the story.
Hij ziet slide it though. Hij zegt hint.
A hint. But bro,
Hoe moet zij, als je erover message?
you must just DM, bro. Don't have kopapa, man, bro. If I did that, I wouldn't be have kopapa. You know what kopapa is? Yeah, don't have kopapa.
So who am I with? Koppen. Warsaw.
Chelsea from Team Ravens.
Okay, so firstly, now, how should a girl slide into your DMs?
Sure. She must be unique, man. It's not like all the other girls. So
She must like have a self-confidence, man. She like to message me and bunda.
Yeah, boy.
she must hold as my story. Since I.
No,
That's easy, man.
no.
But it catches my attention.
So who am I with?
Hay something super CEO, man. That's it. Something folding. Yes.
Darren. Nathan.
Boba. Okay, so firstly, now, how should a girl slide into your DMs?
Ni kijk eens aan van mij zeggen, hi baba, hoe gaan het met jou? Net zo, ja, zijn van mij zo.
Yo, first with a compliment. And then, ja, wat is er daar vandaan?
Nou, volgens ik zie een solid compliment. Als je mij zegt, ja, kijk je, stowers, ja, ik ga het werk.
Don't tell me, hey, what you doing? I have a crush on you, that's all I wanna hear.
So who am I with?
We zijn Leonard.
Azar. Kijk eens, so firstly, now, how should a girl slide into your DMs?
Nee, just papa there. Jij is sexy, wat zien zij? Was dat zo bij me nou?
Same. No. Okay, so who am I with?
Michaela. Mika.
So firstly, now, how should a guy slide into your DMs?
Hi, how you doing? And we zaten met with the conversation on and it's how.
Yes, you agree?
Yeah.
Who am I with?
Shadra Joshua. Mika.
Okay, so yes then, now, how should a guy slide into your DMs?
Just message me.
Maar
Mima say, je moet stijl red. Dan zal ik die nacht doen.
Hij moet react op mijn story, man. Wat kon hij? Hij harde er niet emoji. Hij bezegt, ja, hij moet zo react op mijn story.
Okay, so who am I with?
Iris.
Okay, so Tarish. Yo. How should a girl slide into your DMs?
Alam mo, una di ako kasi wasi ka ni ba ya?
What are you talking about, man?
Huh?
Kasi wasi ka ni ba ya? Alam mo, una di ako.
Show me. Angalices. Baby stepper.
Okay, so for
Get us girls.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
maybe. But kijk je firstly, how should a cunt slide into your DMs?
Yo.
Easy. You find all the hey, easy and those heart emojis. Yeah, easy. Easy.
She must slide in with hot eyes, man. And like, you know, chocolate. With chocolate is too show, man. Like she just like chocolate dudes. You get me?
I don't know man, like just the eyes in the eye.
Exactly.
Like, what do you need there? Like,
Nah,
the
bro,
first
but
DM.
we just
Oh,
need,
first DM.
I think men just need that.
No.
I think Bruce.
I need that.
Yeah, Bruce just need a girl to say I need that.
10 man. Maar ze moeten het in je hoofd hebben. Nooit.
Ja,
Hij is 10 man, man.
ja, zo'n lot of money, hoor.
What
Surgery.
10 man, man. Maar jullie moeten het in je hoofd hebben.
Dat is just!
Yo, man.
Niet wat 10 man, man. Nee, niet 10 man.
Maar niet aan mij, hoor. Dat is je speelplek.
What's up?
And secondly, listen, jullie moeten mooi luisteren. 10 man, man. But you have to take it in the butt.
But! Nee, man, bro,
Hij is
nee.
10 man, ja.
Nah, man, bro.
Yeah, will it? No, I won't even go there, bruh. 10 mil, I won't go there.
Nah, man, bro.
10 mil, no? Maar je moet het in je hoofd hebben.
Sas.
Dat is 10 mil, ja.
10 man. I know what I do.
You must listen for this one, hè? Yes. 10 mil. Maar je moet het in je hoofd hebben, what you say.
Ik vat het, bro.
Yo, so
Openings.
confidently, how I think about it, how I, wacht.
10 mil.
Openings.
Oh, 10 mil.
10 mil.
That's
I
my
take that
toes.
pill, bro. I
That's my
buff
knees.
for
That's
you,
my
liquor.
ankles. Take it bad.
Ik vat het.
Hij is zo
Nee, ik vat het. 10
mil.
mil.
10 mil.
10
Ja,
mil.
bro. 10 mil. Ja, I'll take a
How
book
I-
an army from Russia, Shinzai.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna take over South Africa, 10 million. Gewoon.
What's one thing you're glad your parents don't know about you?
Nah, me, I'm a good boy. Like. Julle sien hy onvanpaste dinge wat julle besig mee is. Nah, I'm actually a good boy, like for real. Like, yeah, I'm a church boy. What's this guy? Show him there, me, bro. I'm a church.
Hey, Profus! What's one thing you're glad your parents don't know about you?
Ik is verwaand. Like, dat kan
Ik denk ons allemaal weer daar.
Nee, hij is niks anders zien.
Oh, Nuxie. Nee, dat ik ook kies 21 en op de... Of net vang.
What? Something you're glad your parents don't know about you?
Shit. Ja, 6 nou. Ja, ik weet maar mensen nog bizar, man. Sinds wat ik weet.
What's one thing you're glad your parents don't know about you?
Ja.
That's
Nah. Where
smoke
I am,
weed, man.
They don't know where I am.
Huh?
They never know where I am. Oh, wait, that's a
Oh,
one, man.
that, yeah. You never know where we are.
Oh, yeah,
Then
I'm
you
there
the
by
places where we are, yo.
yeah, also that singer.
And lastly, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex? What's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
What's your ex?
To your ex?
I don't have an ex.
Well it, my goat. What's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
Stay away from me.
What's one message you'd like to give to your ex? Away.
Come home.
What's een message wat jullie voor jullie ex zeggen?
Yo, massa push!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Wat zijn jullie?
Ik als jou beleid het aanbeweeg, maar jouw maas is poes.
My ex, my best ex. Nah, ik is lief voor my best ex.
Nee, dankie dat je me gelost hebt. Ik kan verbieden. Dankie.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
My favorite ex, jy weet wie dit is. Kom terug huis toe asseblief, ek mis vir jou, maar jou ma se poeso.
Anyway, lastly, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
One message, nee. You know who you are, man. You poes, straight zijn.
Yo, salam voor je body ko haal je valuta. What's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
I hope you have the best out there. You better have the best life out there. Have a good one.
What's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
We haven't finished business.
Kom maar, je stuk Marcel.
What's one message you'd like to give to your ex? Ik voor haar zeggen.
Is dat wat? Jouw poes.
What's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
Oh, wait.
Ik voor haar zeggen.
What she was also young, no, Shinzai. Fucking she talked, was so shit, yeah, man. What did she say that day?
She said something like,
He's push, her push, man. Her push. She heard it.
Nah, man.
Her push, no? And her push and her push for saying my push. And her push for saying my push for her buy me a truth. Her push.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Nice. Shout out to my ex, man. Shout out to my ex. I don't beef. I don't beef.
nah, me I don't beef, shout out to her since then.
I also don't beef, man. That was all.
You class it. It's too late, bro.
We can't say we don't beef our ex Owens. Volgens our
Ja,
guys
vriend
must
met
know.
mijn ex.
Huh?
I'm friends with my
You
ex.
see now. You see now. That's a red card. That's a
I'm friends with my ex.
A red card bad, you offside bad. But volgens Nyman, yeah, with the famous guy.
We are with the famous guys.
We're big fans of this guy. I see this always on my For You page.
Much love, man. Thank you, no broer.
Listen, as you always know, my mic wasn't but I'd like to apologize to these wonderful ladies and to my getuie. I'm sorry, bro. The mic didn't work. But hey, they were kak funny though. But here's a clip of me getting interviewed.
Let's go.
But who am I here with?
Ja, Rico.
Sandra.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video.
Okay, ja, Rico. Zal jij Sandra wel?
Wie?
Sandra.
Wie Sandra?
Die meisje langs jou.
Ik is blind aan mijn rechteroog. Ik kan niet zien.
What's your body count?
Jan.
Asad. As a seeker.
Dalk 2, maybe 5.
Wat is een ding wat jy nooit veel ma sal sê in julle?
Nee, we waren die video kijken.
Dat hij slaat antie. Antie. Hij slaat antie.
Als je lief, ik kies je wel.
Yeah, you guessed right. I don't have an outro. But hey man, I'm so sorry. It was my mic that didn't work. And if you came to this far from the video, comment down what's your favorite part of the video. I love you once. Pow.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, he's the GOAT, man.
Why?